gentleman's house to change out this popped evap coil. It's under warranty, so he doesn't have to pay for the coil. But that's just to say, because, you know, again, that goes back to people that want to buy their own equipment and install it. You know, had this been purchased through Amazon or Alibaba, you know, that coil probably wouldn't be warranted. You know, if it's not installed by a licensed contractor in the state of California, or not purchased from a wholesaler, it's not going to be under warranty. So the coil I'm replacing has a 10-year warranty on it. It's about 4 years old, and it just went bad, so I'm going to change it out for the guy. But another reason why I'm making this quick video today too is to let everyone know that if you need solar, EMT HVAC now offers solar. So if you need solar, give us a call. We have very affordable packages. We can get out there, get your system sized, along with battery backup if you need it. So if you need solar, make sure you call EMT HVAC, 951-290-0262. Or you can reach out at www.emthvacs.com. I will be adding solar to the website. So yeah, if you need solar, hit us up. All right, I'm on to the next one.
All right. So I'm back here today. I'm gonna swap out this coil under warranty. So I'm gonna slide this out the case, put it in the new case up top, and I'll change this cover to keep this serial number rolling for the warranty. All right. And I think that's all I'm gonna need. So I'm just gonna pump this thing down. Put all the refrigerant in here so I can change this coil out. All right. Close this. I'm gonna suck all the refrigerant back into the unit so I can cut that coil out. Enough. All right. All right. Get this thing out of here. I was out here a few days ago and I pumped this with UV dye just to verify where the leak was coming from. So I'm going to show you right quick. Put UV dye in the system. I'm going to get my black light. All right. You come down here. You see how it's all green down there? All lighting up inside there? That's UV dye. Bottom of that coil is leaking. All right, let's get this thing out of here and get on to the next one. Bada bing. Got nitrogen out of there. Clean that out. Good. This new cover on here, get rid of the old one because of the serial number, so keep this warranty valid. Strap that up. Press this thing up. Using a little Navac today. All right. Got my adapter. All right. Let that pull down. We'll clean them up the top. Little 2 CFM Navac battery powered. I can take it on roofs anywhere I want. Keep my other pump in my van, truck. I just carry this in my van. Quick repairs. Yep. Perfect. Yeah. I could hump this down, but I mean, you know how it is. Well, I'm young enough to do it, but smart enough to know better. That's it, my friend. That's it. Let me tie this might hold might not, you know. But let me drop it down, Mark, before you get underneath it. Let me know when you got it. You got her? Yep. Bring her straight on down, sir. That's it, my friend. Bada bing. Yeah. Oh yeah, 461. Valve that off. Oh, we're gonna be good. We're gonna be good. Let that run while I clean up the trash here. Yeah, eyes heal up quick. Okay, I'm gonna valve this off. See what happens here. My little vacuum pump, little battery powered vacuum pump. I can use DeWalt or Milwaukee batteries in this. I think Ryobi too. I don't know. Yeah, I like it. Navac, baby. 2 CFM. Bye.
Imagine you got a lot of work lined up this week.
I'm only working as much as I want to. I'm not going crazy. I'm not killing myself for nobody. You know what I mean? All right.
Them days are over, huh?
Yeah. You know, like I said, I'm young enough to do it, but smart enough to know better.
You still got that one guy helping you out?
I got a couple. Bladder stones.
Yeah, so she was peeing in the house, which she never did before. And so I did some research, talked to the vet, said yeah, took her in, found this big ass bladder stone blocking her ability to pee.
They get it all fixed.
Yeah, once she did surgery, cut her stomach open.
Jeez.
Got one stone out, the other one they couldn't get out. Hopefully that'll resolve.
Okay, let's get this tightened down here.
What was that deal there?
The-
Pump, you said?
Yeah, just a vacuum pump. Pull all the non-condensables and dirt and stuff out of the system.
Where'd you learn all this?
YouTube. No, my dad taught me when I was a kid, and then I did it in the Navy.
Oh, okay. You did HVAC?
Yeah. Doesn't change. It just gets easier, actually. All the equipment and stuff they give you. All the tools you got now.
More technical
Ah, this is, no, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. What the hell? There we go. Now you, sir, can turn your thermostat on for me. If you don't mind putting your thermostat on like 65. See where this thing's at. What's going on down there, huh? You checking out all my tools or what? You checking out all my tools, huh? Now, this is gonna make you jump now, okay? Yep. So that's that, my friend.
Good. So happy you found this.
Right here you go. See how that's, see how I'm right here? If you come down here, you see how that's turning green right there?
Yeah.
All across there? That's where the leak was at, my friend.
Oh, wow.
All right.
Awesome.
Take this back. Get my money back. And that's that, my friend. Bada bing. Bada boom.